Welcome back to your engineering mechanics class of your dreams. Today we're going to continue exactly where we left off last class, and specifically what we're going to do is we will take a look at internal force diagrams. This is the first time we actually introduce force diagrams. Those will be discussed throughout many of the following lectures. So today we're going to start easy and begin with concentrated forces. And to talk about that, first I want to generally introduce the general concept to you. So the graphing methods, how do we do it to display the internal forces? And once we have a general understanding of that and we have seen it actually in application, we can then learn how in future problems we will actually discretize rigid bodies, and discretizing just means that we're going to split it up into individual sections so that we can define individual domains so that we can properly graph everything that we need to show in these diagrams. But this will become more clear as we go throughout the lecture. And then ultimately our goal is to really represent the internal forces by drawing them. And again, today we only will do that for concentrated forces. And in following lectures, we will take this up a notch and talk about distributed forces and non-evenly distributed forces and so on and so forth. But now let's get started and generally think about the concept of graphing internal forces and bending moments.